Hello guys and welcome back to another series of our videos where we analyze the market. Today we're analyzing a new market. Let's see what to expect here, okay? So first of all, we have a lot of PLCs at the bottom. What does it mean? I have always told you on my latest videos, when you see a PLC on the bottom, just know that this zone decides a lot. And if it's switched from a bottom, like if we see an inverse happening from the bottom, just know that it's a very important sign telling you that if a reverse happens, just know that this zone played a vast role in it, okay? Because we see 400, 400, 300, all of them are asks here, okay? Ask orders here happening around the same level. Then we've had a quick imbalance, but the market is quite going sideways, so it's not really some huge important information for now because the market is just going sideways. So what do you expect? We will wait for the market to get back here and see what is going to happen next, okay? See here we had this stacked imbalance, three imbalances, so 48 against 0. Like we have 48 contracts being sold against 0 contracts being bought, 43 contracts that was sold, 41 contract that was sold, but all of these here no one bought. Also here no one bought any single contract, okay? So the market is just going sideways. It's been going sideways for a while. Here once again we went to the same level, giving us another PLC, another one here. But when the market goes sideways, it doesn't really let you know what should you suppose, okay? So it's kind of inversing now, especially we have a red delta with a green candlestick. Okay, not too green, but still counts as green. So we're going past UL levels. And also if you go back to the volume profile, if you remember, I told you that also you should check here. You add it from, oh yeah, oh display, no, not here. So you go to display. See here you have volume profile. Remove it and then you can just add it once again. Okay. Oh. So here, as you can see, uh, we have all of these volumes. So at this exact point, we had this much volume being traded. Okay, let me remove the unfinished business. Um, so at this exact point today, we've had 3,268 contract that was sold and bought. Okay, so maybe bought, maybe sold, maybe both of them. So this is what happened here. This zone is very important because it tells you a lot. It tells you that both buyers and sellers like it. Okay, so here we had more sells than buys, although it's 3,600. Okay, so going back here we see something weird happening. Okay, let me see. First of all, there's this candle with a buy imbalance here, goes back again, gives us a single print and exhaustion from the buyers who just had an imbalance. So this is a great signal. This is a great signal that the buyers quickly lost momentum. Then two PLCs on hold, but then we had a reverse. Okay, so let's see what's happening in here. The volume is quite low right now. I don't know why exactly. So when you see low delta numbers up from 71, 16, 69, 9, 8, these are not really giving you an edge. Okay, this one is good. This one might be good also, but 8, 69, 65, that's not enough. Okay, that's a small difference, not really counted as a big difference, because in the end it's the price that tells you who's the winner and not the volume. Okay, the volume is very important of course, but delta alone will get you nowhere, and especially if it's a low delta number, you don't really care if it's a you don't really care if you see such numbers. Okay, don't think of delta, don't think of the market itself, because you might not know what is happening, because no one is actually being in a stronger position than the other one. Although you can see minus 20, minus 50, 50, whatever, don't trade that position. That's not a good one. Okay, so we've had imbalance here, sudden imbalance with a red candle, then three PLCs at this level. The market is kind of slowing down with a 1,388. That's a big volume. So that is absorption happening around this level. So let's see when the market goes back here. Always when you see such big PLCs, especially when you have three PLCs, just wait for the market to go back to that level and see what is it going to do. But yes, this is just a market that's going sideways. Yeah, 7 71.43 till 71.39. That's the only thing that it does. So I don't like trading in these markets. Yes, it's kind of easy to trade a sideways market, but I just there's something about it that doesn't make me feel good, okay? That's why I would rather not trade them. Okay, imbalance with a single print and then a reversal. That is a good thing. Okay, so 7 contracts that were sold and 169 that were bought, and they quickly gave us a reversal and a market that is going up. So let's see, kept going up for a while. Nothing changed actually. It's just the market that kept going up. Yeah. Okay, so kind of escaping the uh the sideways zone, okay? That was 43. Now we're up that level. That could be a breakout. That could be just a small trap for people. Could be everything. Alright, let's see. Yes, small breakouts and then failed. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay, two PLCs again here. Two PLCs. Let's see what the market will do at this level once we go back here. But yeah, I don't like today's market. The volume is quite low. The deltas are not really accurate because they're so low in numbers. It doesn't really give you a good edge about the market. So the best thing to do is not trade it. Alright? So this is it, guys. This was a small video analyzing this day's um, market. And here we saw everything that happened in this day. So it was lovely to meet you all and have a good day. Thank you.